This is Sam Ellis with Jim Reynolds Asphalt. We're sealing a parking lot at the waterfront park, and you can see we're spraying. We already trimmed the surface, and you can see that we're spraying. So what we do, we trim so much on both sides, and then we spray to the end of that trim. We move our rig up as far as we can at the end of what we're going to trim at, and then we start trimming again, all the way up to the end. As far as our holes will go on both sides, we'll trim again, and then we'll come back and spray to that end of that trim, and then we move on up again. So that's the best process of getting the job done.